How to recover deleted draft video on TikTok. So if you want to recover deleted draft video on TikTok, then first you need to open up your gallery, because if you've saved something from your deleted videos, like if you've saved something from your TikTok draft, then it might be on your gallery. So you can open up your gallery. So from your gallery, you can go with the video section, and from videos you may have your videos. You can just recover it, or you can just simply scroll down and go with recently deleted, and under recently deleted you may have your draft, so you can recover it from there. But if you don't have here, then you can open up your TikTok application and go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and after that go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll down and you need to go with account, and from the account you will have an option of account information or download your data. So tap on download your data, and you need to go and request for a download of your data. So you can select the data that you would like to download. You can include all, or you can include some specific types of data like your TikTok draft. And after that you can go with request data, and after requesting the data, after a few hours or after a few days, you will have the file that you will be able to download. So that's how you can recover your drafts on your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.